Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. And today, I am crazy excited to give you all an update. No, the XRP price hasn't pumped to the moon just quite yet. We are seeing some progress, I should say. But I hope, hope that pretty shortly here, it's gonna be our day. I mean, I've been watching the price here, and earlier today, it was going on a little bit of a ride. I was getting crazy. I was getting crazy excited, but it fell back down a little bit rather quickly. Then again, right now, it feels as if we've picked back up the pace, and I'm crazy excited to see the price move over the next couple of hours. I'm hoping finally a little bit of retribution, huh? But we shall see. Let's talk about some more important stuff, huh? First of all, have you thought about this? This is exactly what I look like at parties. I'm just at a corner right there, sitting, thinking, oh, I own a ton of XRP, yet nobody knows, huh? Yeah, exactly. And I think that's most of you guys, huh? Yeah. All right, moving on. Digital Perspectives, aka Backup Bradley, posted, "Hold up, David Swartz, can you help us out here?" Because it's Hassan Al-Nazi who said, Ripple management is reviewing a technical proposal to burn 47 billion XRP in escrow. Now, straight from the bat here, I have no idea why this was posted on November 2nd, 10 a.m. all of a sudden. I mean, I'm going to look into it and think about it. Then I'm thinking, what type of information could have been fed to this individual to come to this conclusion? Or is it just some person who's trying to get some hype, or is there any real logic behind the point? Take this from me, all right? I know almost everything there is to know about Ripple's partnership, XRP proposals, XRP ideas, because I do this every single day for years now, all right? I know a lot about this stuff. And one thing I know for a fact is that it would make absolutely no sense for 74 or 47 billion XRP out of escrow to be burned. Would make absolutely no sense. And people who claim that this would be amazing for the price obviously have not been in crypto that long, or most likely don't know the real economics behind how token prices work. Theoretically speaking, the price should double. In practice, it doesn't, and it has very little effect. It has some minor pump effect, but not that much. And for longevity, it's better to actually have the coins and the actual utility of the coins to create a better ecosystem, which ultimately, hopefully, creates way more, substance for the price to increase with. So, makes no sense. I think, just without seeing any comments, because I didn't check the comments out, but I see one guy, Matt Hamilton already, that he took this from different Ripple speeches where they said that it's possible for them to get rid of escrow, and that it's hypothetically speaking, and in theory speaking, possible for them to get rid of stuff. So, Matt Hamilton of Ripple, he is Principal Developer Advocate at Ripple Dev. He's changed his name a little bit. Is this someone reading too much into Garlinghouse's comments about how the community could burn Ripple's holdings if they wanted to? That's a good question, because it makes absolutely no sense for any other way. Let's quickly check it out here. Source: first, it's a proposal. Secondly, ask Ripple to deny it. Okay, yeah. He has simply asked for a source for the information you're reporting. Right, guy could just be posting random tweets for engagement. All you asked for was source. Well, yeah. Now this is not official stuff, guys. So just so you know, DustBC does not approve. It could be the truth. It could be that they're reviewing that. However, it doesn't really make any real sense for them to do that. It makes absolutely no. And where could he got this from? If somebody asked for the source, all he's saying is it's a proposal, which is also not true. He says Ripple management is reviewing a technical proposal. Yeah, so he's asking for where did you get the information that this proposal is going around, basically. It's not that he's proposing something. So, no, I'm calling fake on this one. Moving on. Disclosed TV just shared that Microsoft announces to create its own Metaverse. Just quickly letting you guys know again that Metaverse coins might be something you want to look closer into, guys. I keep sharing it with y'all. Go for coins that are trending in this world. For example, the Squid Game token was really one that you'd know would go rug pull. Everybody knew that. However, it could have lasted long, and if you're quick with those things, you can actually make a ton of money. So right now, by going for Metaverse tokens and things akin to it, it might actually work out in your best interest, as the Metaverse will only keep getting more and more popular over the next couple of years. Then BitBoy shared this over on his Twitter. He has a nice little new profile picture. Anticipation of Coinbase relisting XRP upon us. It was always inevitable. And there's a little 1-minute video here. I actually want to, a little bit later today, give you all an update. I think that's necessary on what's going on with the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit in the real depth of things. But people are expecting that because of the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit and the fact that Ripple is looking to win and the fact that Coinbase is supporting Ripple and the fact that Coinbase is fighting a battle against the SEC on their own, that they're going to relist it. But I've literally given all the different options, like a couple of videos ago, for what would cause Coinbase to relist it, what would the consequences be and whatnot. And obviously, it's not easy for them to do so, guys. It is not easy at all. Then here we talked a little bit about the price, but we already did that, huh? Price is looking pretty damn juicy, guys, right now. I'm still picking it up like there's no tomorrow for most of these cryptos out there. I just think there's going to be a crazy run. Ethereum is back at all-time high levels, and I think Ethereum easy to 5,000, Bitcoin easy to 70,000, easy. BNB, I think, is going to hit like $1,000 within a couple of weeks here as well, pretty easily. Cardano, I think, is going to go to $10 this run still. It can go pretty crazy, but let's set $4 as a minimum. Solana, $250. I know it's low, but that's because Solana was extremely undervalued at $120. Which was like a week or two ago. Right now, it's already doubled in this short amount of time. Polkadot as well. I bought so much Polkadot at $8.50. Right now, it's at $51. I feel kind of bad for buying it. My last big buy was, I think, about not last night, but the night before that, when I was teaching some more people how to get into crypto. All right. Let's quickly see what I have open here. Oh yeah, so I want to quickly share with you guys that you should join my Telegram. All right, the name on there is DustDBC Eng, which basically stands for English. All right, so DustDBC English, but then without the lish. Join it because I just shared some information in there as well. I have it in front of me right now. Basically, over on Bybit, which I know I talk about a lot. I know. Right now, there's a crazy good proposal. All right, I keep telling it with you guys. There's a crazy cool proposal. There's basically a pre-sale, or at least a new launch on the Bybit Launchpad, which I think you can find somewhere here. There we go. Now, the thing is, if you use the link down below, you can get yourself into this CBX, which I'm not sure if it's going to be a good crypto, but I'll teach you something to DustDBC way, huh? You should almost always, when there's a Launchpad thing like this, where you have easy access to it, join it and try it out, because almost always this is a DustDBC secret little informational piece. You can make a ton of money with this. What can I tell you guys? This is not to convince you, because please, it's completely your own choice. But my DustDBC insights here, I should only be telling this to Patreon people, is you can literally make more money with one of these little launches, for example, even though you can only invest up to $500 as the maximum for any person. I can only invest, I think, up to $250. Some people can invest up to $500. It's because there's not that many coins available. And that's the better, because that means there's a higher percentage that you can gain in the short term, basically. But let me just tell you guys like this. It could be completely crazy. These coins usually take off and do amazing. If you can't get in, try it. Worst case, you lose $500. Best case, you make, $500,000 off of it. Is it going to happen? Most likely not. But I've definitely done 500 times on sales like this. So you can definitely look to be making a couple $1,000s at least. But I'm hoping it's going to be, another $200,000 that you make off of $500. Let's hope. Let's hope. Let's just hope. Let's hope it's going to be a 400 times. Or it has happened before, guys. Let me tell you that. So how does it work? Check it out. All right. Just check out. The link is going to be down below. Check out in the Telegram. I put all the conditions, the email exactly that they sent to me on how to get it. But I'll leave a link down below as well for the other deposit bonus and whatnot, because I think you need to have some BIT, which I've told you guys like a week or 2 or 3 ago to buy as well, which right now has already tripled in value over the last couple of weeks. I'll quickly check that out. I told you guys to buy BIT at about $1.30 when I was buying it myself. Right now it's almost $3. That's because they just launched a new coin. I was like, yeah, the coin is definitely going to keep increasing in value. So the first couple of it's $1.50 that I bought it at. I bought it the first days that it got on the platform, because I knew this coin was going to rise. And even now, guys, I'm telling you, this coin is going to do pretty damn good. Not amazing, right? It's not going to be a $100 coin, I don't think. But I still think it's going to go to the double digits at one point or another, because it's Bybit's main currency. And I think it's pretty popular exchange. It's pretty huge. It can definitely keep up here, basically. And right now already, I believe it's like within the top 15 in terms of actual market cap that they gave it. But it could definitely go higher. So I'm just putting that up there. All right, but Launchpad things, try to join those as much as possible. That's DustBC Insights. This coin, I don't know. I bought it at $1.50. I bought a little bit at like $1.90 or $2 as well, a little bit. Last buy I think was like $2.60 or so because I just needed to have a little bit more. And I don't know if I should actually buy. I think I should actually buy a little bit more. I think you need like 500 of them or something like that to get the full amount. And I'm going to leave a link for this down below because you guys said, where do you find it? This is basically the link, the deposit blast off link to get yourself the crazy bonuses. But I forgot to change the link up there. And this, again, you can see how much money you need to deposit to get what amount of money back. And the reason I keep sharing this with you guys is because free money is crazy good on leverage exchanges, which is why I'm sharing this like crazy right now. You should always check it out whenever you have the chance, because free money is always amazing. And free money, every single dollar that you get, you should do times 50. So if you get 500 bucks, that's actually times 50. That's $25,000 that you actually got right there. But that's only here in the middle. So you need to, the bottom is how much you need to deposit. The top one is how much you get, which is 3.5% if you use the link down below. Otherwise, it's 3%. Whatever. All right, there's a couple other bonuses. There should be, oh, maybe that one is, no, there should be one more. It should normally be here. I'm not exactly sure how to find it. There's another like $1,000 bonus as well. Those bonuses, check them out as much as you can right now because there's only a couple more days, then it's going to be over. Check it out. Links down below. See you guys again in another crypto video soon.